So in the previous video, we went over laser safe and iris system. This is going to be our DSP system for these machines. A lot of similarities with the DSP system and the laser safe. Same kind of theory to it. You want to make sure you're roughly around the same distance on these scales and your laser is shooting straight across the bottom of the tooling and it's not angled at different sections and possibly hitting the tooling further down or too close. The difference on these ones, as you can see, it's got a V shape to it, not so much as a box. So what we want to do is make sure that V shape is pretty much shaping right along with the punch. As you see, you have a nice little tip of red. This one's probably just a touch too high. You can see that that V is pretty much shaping exactly that punch on this side here. Down here on the receiving end, on this far side of the punch, we want to take a look. As you see, this one looks like it needs to go up a touch. So we want that to shape exactly with the punch down here as well. What I like to do is tape the actual paper down here at the end, so that way when I make my adjustments, I can look down and see exactly where I'm hitting on this piece of paper. Right here you have bolts. As you can see, they're inside channels. You loosen these up, you can move this laser left and right. Right here in the front, you loosen or tighten, that will bring the laser up and down and tilt it. So as I'm tightening these, you can see it doesn't need a whole lot. Try to tighten them roughly around the same amount, so that way it's coming up together in unison. As you can see, I brought it up a little bit further, so that way it's coming just across the bottom of this punch. There's no longer a big gap. As you see here, it moved up a little bit higher. It's happy with the signal it's receiving, but I like to make the adjustment. I'm going to bring this up just a little bit right inside that V. We're hitting all these boxes here. Got a green light on. If you see we block it, something's not receiving correctly, it turns to red. Things to look out for, just like the laser safe system and iris. You want to make sure your punches are fully seated, your dies are fully seated. If something's sticking down or up, it's going to catch that laser and it's going to throw a little bit of a fit. And another big thing to check out for is your material thickness. Both are great laser systems, DSP and laser safe and iris. So if you have any questions, you can always reach your machine supplier, or you can contact us here at More Machine Tools at 801-280-6700.